Welcome to Thrillo Itineraries. Get ready for an ultimate bucket list European getaway. 9 stunning countries, 13 unforgettable days, and a seamless, cashless experience where every moment is taken care of with an unbeatable price. Across this journey, you'll experience 25 incredible activities, stay in 8 hand-picked 4-star hotels, indulge in 3 meals daily, including vegetarian, non-vegetarian and Jain options. This all-inclusive package delivers a completely cashless and stress-free experience. Day 1. Paris. Arrive in the City of Light, check into your 4-star hotel and explore charming cafes, the Paris Flea Market or the historic Père Lachaise Cemetery. A relaxed start before the journey ahead. Day 2. Explore Paris's top landmarks from Place Vendôme to Pont Alexandre III, then ascend to the Eiffel Tower's 3rd level for breathtaking city views. Walk through Versailles' Hall of Mirrors where French royalty once roamed, all with Thrillophilia's expert Indian guide by your side throughout the trip for a seamless experience. Day 3. Disneyland Paris. Skip the line and dive into thrilling rides, dazzling parades and a fairy tale magic. Day 4. Belgium. Stroll through Brussels' Grand Place, snap a selfie with Manneken Pis and marvel at Mini Europe, a miniature world of Europe's famous landmarks. Then cross into The Hague, Netherlands for the night. Day 5. Amsterdam. A glass-roof canal cruise takes you past 1,000 bridges and historic townhouses before heading to Frankfurt, Germany in a comfortable AC semi-recliner coach. Day 6. Germany's scenic wonders. Visit the Mercedes-Benz Museum, drive through Black Forest and witness the mighty Rhine Falls in Switzerland. Day 7. Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe. Ride the Eiga Express, explore the Ice Palace and take in the Aletsch Glacier's breathtaking views, all with skip-the-line access for a smooth experience. Day 8. Mount Atlas and Lucerne. Ride the Rotair cable car to snow-capped peaks, cross the cliff walk and explore Lucerne's old town, ending the day with Swiss chocolate experience. Day 9. Austria via Liechtenstein. Stop in Vaduz for alpine views before visiting the Swarovski Crystal World in Innsbruck. Enjoy a guided walk through its charming old town before settling in. Day 10. Venice. Sail through Giudecca's Canal to St. Mark's Square, admire the St. Mark's Basilica and float through Venice's canal on a gondola ride, an unforgettable highlight. Day 11. Tuscany. Wander through Florence visiting the Duomo and Piazza Michelangelo, then marvel at the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Day 12. Rome and Vatican City. Explore the Vatican Museums, Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's Basilica. Visit the Colosseum before tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain, a tradition that guarantees your return. Day 13. After a trip filled with bucket list moments, enjoy a smooth transfer to Rome Airport. With pre-arranged flights, hotels and transfers, every little detail is taken care of by Thrilophilia. And what sets Thrilophilia apart? Our direct partnerships with hotels, transfers and attractions mean that you get best possible rates. No middlemen, no hidden cost, just unbeatable value. Stay in hand-picked 4-star hotels, travel in AC semi-recliner coaches and enjoy guidance from expert Indian tour leaders fluent in both Hindi and English. With 3 meals daily featuring vegetarian, non-vegetarian and Jain options, every taste is catered to. Plus, you never have to carry cash. Everything is included. All of this for just rupees 2,49,000 per person. Need flights? We provide flight assistance along with visa assistance, ensuring a smooth experience. You'll receive instant confirmation upon booking with all tickets, vouchers and travel details sent before departure. And for complete peace of mind, Trilophilia offers 24/7 support. Access our AI chatbot on our website anytime or connect with a Trilophilia representative on call for any assistance. Your dream European vacation, fully planned, stress-free and at the best price in the market. Book now with Trilophilia and experience Europe like never before. Stay tuned for more itineraries.